Very good evening to all of you, beta. We are going to do quick revision of chemical reaction. Now, first question, beta, in chemical reaction. The approach for this chapter is, beta, first you should know few things like the color of a specific compound, right? Whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral or amphoteric. Different color of the residues, different color of the gases. If there is a smell, then you should know the smell. Okay. So all these things we should know first. But before that, we'll just do the basic thing. First of all, beta, what are the first question they will ask you? What is the characteristic of chemical reaction? So in a chemical reaction, there is change of color, there is evolution of gas, there is either evolution or absorption of heat. If heat is evolved, then it is exothermic. If heat is absorbed, then it is endothermic. Exothermic, whenever we write plus triangle, and here we write minus triangle. And the last one is what? Formation of precipitate. Formation of precipitate. Okay? Then beta we have how many types of reaction? Basic types of reaction we should know. Now if there is a basic type of reaction, if A plus B gives you AB, then it is which reaction? Combination. What it is? Combination. Then we have what? AB. And if suppose I'm writing this particular reaction, if I am going to heat it, if I use what beta in this, it will be three types. If I heat it, then we call it as, and if it gives beta more product, two or more product, one reactant giving two or more product, then it is thermal decomposition. If I pass electric current, then it will be which decomposition? Electrical decomposition or electrolysis. All right. And if I pass light to it, then it will be photolytic or photolysis. Then if there is A and there is B, C, right? And if A is displacing B, then it is which reaction?
क्या
Displace.
प्रॉब्लम है कान में डालने में?
This is displacement reaction, right? So combination, decomposition. In decomposition, we have three types. Then this is displacement reaction, and last one is when partner changes. Okay, so I'll get AD plus, not BC, we write CB because we write positive first. Exchange of radicals. Exchange of radicals, right? Then when there is exchange of radical, we call it as double decomposition. Okay. So before going to the main part, you should know the colors. I have given you the big notes. Do you remember big notes which I given you? Okay, so that big note should be in front of you. Then that big notes, mein beta, there should be which page? Last page. Any last page, what all thing you should know, beta? Whenever I say neutral gas, any gas, then there are, whenever we talk about gas, beta, four types of gases. The neutral gas means what? If I add water to it, they will form nothing. Hydrogen, N2H2, CO, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, and water, they are neutral. Then all these are acidic gas. What are acidic gas? If any gas, if I add to water to it, if it forms acid, then it is acidic gas. Okay, sulfur dioxide, if I add water to it, I get H2SO3. So these are acidic gas. Okay, and in this also you have to remember NO2 is reddish brown. So if I say what is the color of NO2 gas, then it is reddish brown. Greenish yellow gas, if I say, then what should come to your mind? Chlorine. If I say rotten X smell gas, then what should come to your mind? Hydrogen sulfide. Only basic gas in your entire syllabus is ammonia. Why basic gas is called as basic? Because if I add water to it, you get NH4OH. It is the only basic gas. Basic gas, what it will do, beta? It will turn red litmus blue. Acidic gas will turn blue litmus red, moist blue litmus red. Okay. Then we talk about alkali. Alkali means anything which has OH, we call it as a base. If it is water soluble, Lina K, right, beta? They are alkali. They are alkali. Then in exam, they will ask you this part, beta, this part. Neutral oxide, we know. Acidic oxide, we have done. All these are acidic. Why? Because when you dissolve them in water, you get acid. And metal oxide, beta, when you dissolve them in water, you get base. But you have to remember these three are very important. Janabe Ali in pub, they are amphoteric. What do you mean by amphoteric oxide? These are the oxide Okay, amphoteric oxide are the oxide which are soluble in which react with both acid as well as base. कौन है amphoteric? Janabe Ali in pub, zinc, aluminium, and Pb. Then you should know the colors. Color of what, beta? Generally, copper salt is blue color. But when I say copper oxide, it is black. Copper carbonate, it is greenish. Fe2 plus salt are dirty green. Fe3 plus are reddish brown. PbO is buff yellow or yellow. Name an oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Then it is zinc oxide. Yellow when hot, white when cold, zinc oxide. Okay, chromic oxide is green color. Mercury oxide is orange red. Ammonium dichromate is orange color. Then yellow non-metal is sulfur. Reddish brown liquid is bromine. Dense white fumes, it is ammonium chloride. Okay, so this color you should know. Alright. Then we go to the basic part. Chalo beta. First question what they will ask you in your book. Okay, so chemical what are the characteristic of a chemical reaction?
Color, gas, absorption of
Yeah.
heat and
Change
precipitate.
of color, gas, absorption or evolution of heat, or formation of precipitate. Then we go to the next part. Chalo beta. This is our first reaction beta. Can you say combination or direct synthesis? Reaction in which two or more elements or compounds combine to give you one new compound. Decomposition means reaction in which one chemical compound will decompose to give two or more simpler substances. Then displacement is what beta? When one active metal will displace another metal from its compound. We call it as displacement. And what is double decomposition? It is a reaction in which what will happen? Both the reactant are decomposed by exchanging their radicals to give you two new compound. Can you see? This is decomposition. Then we go to the direct combination. Now in examiner, how they are going to ask the question. Okay. When both combining element, beta, if you see beta, if this is also element, this is also element. So this is, we call it as synthesis. But if there is one element and one compound, so we call it as combination. This is the thin line of difference. In synthesis, both are element. Now examiner is very smart. He will ask you this question in different ways, beta. Okay. Now, if you see here, the examiner will ask you, write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. What is formed, beta? Weak acid. He will not say carbon dioxide plus water. You know, beta, these all are weak acid or not, tell me. So I'll tell you, write a combination reaction. So you should know carbon dioxide plus water give you carbonic acid. Sulfur dioxide plus water will give you sulfurous acid. Phosphorus pentoxide plus water will give you phosphoric acid. So you have to either write one of these reactions. They will say write a combination reaction to give you weak acids. So out of these three, any one you can write. They will say write a combination reaction in which beta alkali is formed. So sodium oxide plus water, you get NOH. Alkali was NOH and KOH. Right? Okay. Then beta, I can ask you, write a reaction between Fe and yellow non-metal. So which is yellow non-metal? Come on, sulfur. You get FeS. Or if I'll tell you, write a reaction between Fe and greenish yellow gas. So greenish yellow gas is chlorine. So you will get FeCl2. Whenever you add chlorine, you will get FeCl2. You will never get FeCl3. Balancing, I'll tell you, beta. Don't worry. Clear? Okay. So this is all about combination. Now, whenever we go for decomposition, beta. So for decomposition, I gave you trick. Do you remember, beta? But before doing decomposition, I'll tell you, beta, displacement. What is the logic for displacement reaction? Now look beta, if you see all this I have given to you here. If you see the first page of green notes, can you see divalent metal plus yellow non-metal FeS? Can you see this? Write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. So all this is the weak acid. Write a combination reaction which give you strong alkali. Right? Then beta, I can ask you this type of question also. Okay. Calcium react with nitrogen, you get calcium nitride. You should know the valency. Calcium is 2, nitrogen is 3. If you don't know the valency, last test, beta, most of you lost reaction mein marks, balancing, because you are not knowing the valencies. And if you don't know the valency, you won't be able to do the compound formation. So you are doing this compound formation wrong. If I tell you aluminium plus greenish yellow gas, so you should know what is greenish yellow chlorine. And write AlCl3. Right? Fe plus greenish yellow gas, beta, you will get always FeCl3. Whenever we react Fe with chlorine, you will always get FeCl3. When you get FeCl2, When Fe react with HCl, then you will get Fe, that is displacement reaction.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Fe plus yellow non-metal. So Fe plus sulfur you have to do. Who's messaging? Just a minute, beta. Okay, right. Okay. Chalo. Now let us go to the next part. Crisscross method, beta. For everything we have to do crisscross. Suppose if I tell you what is the formula of calcium nitride. ए भाई कैल्शियम नाइट्राइड का फॉर्मूला बोला तो तेरे को क्रिस क्रॉस नहीं आना चाहिए क्या? कोई भी कंपाउंड में कैल्शियम वैलेंस इज दिस एंड दिस इज दिस, सो व्हाट यू विल डू बेटा? क्रिस क्रॉस. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. देन किसी का भी कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन तुमको आएगा ही नहीं तो फिर कैसे करोगे? इफ आई टेल यू कॉपर नाइट्रेट, कॉपर वैलेंस इज 2, नाइट्रेट इज हाउ मच?
CO2 plus NO3. So
हाँ,
it'll
so
become
this criss cross, so what you'll get? CuNO3 twice.
CU2.
So this was the question asked, copper nitrate when heated. Don't worry, I'll teach you that also later on. But first, these are the combination. Now in exam, I can ask you, write a reaction in which yellow liquid is formed. So nitrogen plus chlorine give you nitrogen trichloride. Here nitrogen valence is 3, chlorine is 1. So what do you get? What is the name of this compound? Nitrogen trichloride. What is the name of this compound? Nitrogen trichloride.
Trichloride.
Yeah. Now in this they will ask you, beta, write a combination reaction in which two neutral gas. Okay, two neutral gas. कोई waiting room में है क्या? नहीं. What is that? हाँ. Two neutral gas gives you neutral liquid. So who is neutral liquid? Water. And whenever I write plus triangle means the reaction is exothermic. An examiner will confuse you this. He won't say nitrogen plus hydrogen. He will say write a reaction between two neutral gas to give you basic gas. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए basic gas कौन है? अमोनिया. Reaction reversible है. Temperature 450 to 500. Pressure 200 to 900. Catalyst is Fe. And who is promoter in this reaction? Molybdenum.
Venom. Chromic oxide.
Molybdenum.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, promoter increases the efficiency of catalyst. Catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of reaction. Is this clear? Any difficulty till here?
No,
Right?
sir.
Then beta examiner, what was the name of this process? Hibber's. If you see in my test, I give you name the gas produced during Hibber's process, ammonia. Hydrogen plus greenish yellow gas gives you what? HCl. What is the condition? Diffuse sunlight. Who is the catalyst here? Moisture. Give reason why direct sunlight cannot be used, because the reaction becomes explosive. All these are combination reaction. Write your observation when your basic gas. Yeah. Ammonia plus HCl will give you what? Ammonium chloride. What it will give you? Ammonia plus chlorine. Then what you will get, beta? Ammonium chloride. एक मिनट बेटा, ये चैट का है ना, मैं लोचा ही सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. ओके. चलो. Then beta displacement. For displacement reaction, what you are supposed to remember? Come on. For displacement or substitution reaction, what you are supposed to remember? This reactivity series.
Activity series.
Karina
Sir, do we
ne,
remember halogens?
no, halogens
We
not
don't have
required.
halogens.
You don't have.
Yeah.
करीना ने कार मांगी, अल्टोजैन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट, मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर प्लेटेड ऑडी.
Body.
करीना मीन्स पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक, Fe, lead, copper, mercury, silver, platinum, Au. Now they will ask which is the most reactive element? Potassium.
Karina.
Which is the least reactive? Au.
Audi.
Above metal can displace the lower one, but lower one cannot displace the above one. Can
Upper.
magnesium displace zinc? So you have to see
Yes.
magnesium is up, zinc is below, so it will displace. ऊपर वाला नीचे वाले को लात मारेगा, बट नीचे वाला ऊपर वाले को लात नहीं मारेगा. Can zinc displace copper?
Yes.
Yes. Now what application based question they will ask? Can I store copper sulfate in zinc container? Suppose this container is made up of zinc. Can I store copper sulfate in it?
Yes.
No.
नो,
But yeah.
क्योंकि क्या हो जाएगा, कॉपर सल्फेट ब्लू कलर का है,
Displace.
तो जिंक उसको डिस्प्लेस कर देगा. सो इफ यू वांट टू स्टोर अ कंपाउंड इन अ मेटल, then that metal should be below the reactivity series, not above, because zinc is above. Can you see now, zinc ये कॉपर को लात मार देगा तो blue color will fade, or they will tell you, write your observation, what will happen when copper sulfate is kept in zinc container. Or sometimes they will ask you this type of question. Look, there is a container, in this there is a copper sulfate, then I have kept an iron nail in it. What I have kept? Iron nail. So what will happen? Tell me.
Displace.
हाँ,
The blue
so F,
solution will fade.
yeah, the blue solution will fade, right? And this was my copper sulfate. So Fe ऊपर है ना बेटा, Fe copper को लात मार देगा. Write your observations. What will happen? Blue color will fade because Fe will displace and it will form Fe sulfate, and ferrous sulfate is light green in color. Okay, right? And this copper will come out. Copper का कलर क्या होता है बेटा? Reddish brown metal you will get. Any difficult detail here? Can zinc displace hydrogen? Can copper displace zinc? No, copper is below, zinc is up. It cannot displace it. This we have done in hydrogen. Zinc will displace hydrogen. Magnesium will displace hydrogen. But can copper displace hydrogen? Hydrogen ऊपर है, तो copper H को लात मार पाएगा क्या? नहीं, नो रिएक्शन. अच्छा बेटा, करीना ने कार मांगी. ये पहला तीन मेटल किसके साथ रिएक्ट होगा? कोल्ड वाटर. वी हैव डन इन
Cold water.
हाइड्रोजन. मैग्नीशियम से लेके Fe तक, मंगल जिंदाबाद फीलिंग. दे विल रिएक्ट विद व्हाट? स्टीम.
Steam.
They will give you oxide and hydrogen.
Epstein.
Yeah. Now, beta, we go to decomposition. Now, this is very important. Okay. Now, for decomposition, beta, there are various compounds. Nitrates we have hydroxide, we have carbonates. तो सबके लिए मैंने ट्रिक बना दिया है. देखो, first we are doing thermal decomposition. Whenever I write triangle means heat. Triangle means heat, beta. Okay. So, can you see I'm heating it? So this is thermal decomposition, absorption of heat. You have to remember this range. Karina ने कार मांगी, Altos and Ferrari. Now what trick you have to remember? Karina का nitrate होगा तो what it will give me? Come on, tell me. Karina का nitrate, if it is there, what it will give me? Tell me. अरे
Nitrite plus oxygen.
हाँ, मेटल नाइट्राइड प्लस ऑक्सीजन. सो का पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. ना आप लोगों को ना पूरा लिख के बताना पड़ेगा मेरी के. Okay, now look here. Potassium valence is how much that you आपको ये कंपाउंड ही नहीं आएगा तो रॉन्ग हो जाओगे ना. नाइट प्लस वन. नाइट्रेट इज हाउ मच? वन माइनस. सो वो ये क्रिस क्रॉस करेगा तो क्या मिलेगा? पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. नाउ इट विल गिव मी व्हाट? नाइट्राइट. Nitrite valence is also how much beta? 1 minus. Potassium is also plus 1, minus 1 cut, you get KNO2 and oxygen. So this trick you have to remember. Karina ka nitrate will give you what? Nitrite and oxygen. So potassium nitrate will give you potassium nitrate and oxygen. Sodium nitrate will give you sodium nitrite and oxygen.
Oxygen.
Is this clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Acha, if they ask, name a nitrate which give oxygen as the only gas, then it will be what? Potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate. Then बेटा देवी, if they ask you कैल्शियम से लेके कॉपर तक का कोई भी नाइट्रेट को हीट करेंगे तो दिस ट्रिक you have to remember. What it will give you?
So NO2 plus O2.
Metal oxide plus NO2 plus O2. So if I take, suppose if I take nitrate of calcium, so who is the metal in this? Calcium. So calcium oxide, NO2 and O2. If I take zinc nitrate, what is the valency of zinc? Zinc is 2. Nitrate is how much? 1. So first you should know. What will be the formula? ZnNO3 twice. अगर यही wrong लिखा तो आपका पूरा wrong हो जाएगा. Now who is the metal in this? Come on, what you will get? Metal oxide, NO2 and O2. So metal oxide will be zinc oxide. Zinc valency is 2, oxygen valency is 2. So 2 cancel. Got it? You will get NO2 and O2. Balancing I'll teach you, don't worry. क्लियर है? जनरली मैं आपको बता देता, ये नाइट्रेट होता है ना कैल्शियम, इनके लिए क्या आता है? 2 2 4. ये कैसे आता है वो भी मैं बताऊंगा. सो यूल विल राइट फॉर बैलेंसिंग, व्हाट विल राइट फॉर नाइट्रेट? 2 2 and 4. O2 के आगे कुछ नहीं आएगा. इफ आई टेक कॉपर नाइट्रेट, व्हाट आई गेट? कम ऑन, हु इज द मेटल? अरे कैल्शियम से लेके कॉपर तक ना, तो कॉपर ऑक्साइड, NO2 and O2. अच्छा, गोल्ड एंड प्लेटिनम का रिएक्शन वी डोंट स्टडी बिकॉज दे आर इनर्ट। तो बचा कौन? मर्क्यूरी एंड सिल्वर। मर्क्यूरी एंड सिल्वर का नाइट्रेट लेके तो क्या मिलेगा बोलो? मेटल NO2 and O2. So suppose if I take silver nitrate, so first you should know what is the formula of silver. Silver is 1 plus, nitrate is 1 minus. So what you'll get? AgNO3. Are you getting it? So look, AgNO3. So who is the metal in this? Ag. NO2 और O2 तो मिलने ही वाला है। नेम अ नाइट्रेट। एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेगा? नेम अ नाइट्रेट विच गिव इट्स ओन मेटल। तो व्हाट विल योर आंसर? सिल्वर नाइट्रेट। और एल्स यू कैन टेक व्हाट बेटा? मर्क्यूरी नाइट्रेट। मर्क्यूरी का वैलेंसी कितना है बोलो बेटा? Hg is 2 plus, नाइट्रेट is 1 minus. So what will be the formula? This will go here, this will, so HgNO3 twice. Who is the metal in this? Hg, NO2 and O2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now बेटा we go for a hydroxide. हाइड्रोक्साइड में क्या है? करीना का हाइड्रोक्साइड डिकम्पोज नहीं होता है। नेम हाइड्रोक्साइड विच डज नॉट डिकम्पोज ऑन हीटिंग। पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। क्लियर? नाउ कैल्शियम से लेके कॉपर तक का इफ आई टेक एनी हाइड्रोक्साइड इट विल गिव यू मेटल ऑक्साइड एंड वाटर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का फॉर्मूला आप लोग को आना चाहिए। तो कैसे करेंगे? कैल्शियम is 2 plus, hydroxide is 1 minus. So what will be the formula? Crisscross you will do, you'll get CaH2. Are you getting it? So who is the metal in this? Calcium. So I'll get calcium oxide and water. Clear? Similarly for all of these. If I take zinc hydroxide, I get zinc oxide and water. और नीचे का दो का मैंने क्या बोला? नीचे का दो का होगा तो what it will give me? It will give me what? Metal, water और एक्स्ट्रा क्या आ जाएगा? ऑक्सीजन। So look, mercury hydroxide, if I take metal, water and oxygen. Name a hydroxide which give its own metal. Beta for anything, name a oxide or hydroxide or carbonate or nitrate, then it will be always silver and mercury because they will give its own metal or not, tell me. Look here, here also it was giving its own metal or not, tell me. Right? Hello. Clear? So we did trick for nitrates and we did for hydroxide. Now we go for carbonates. कौन सा
Sure.
कार्बोनेट डिकम्पोज नहीं होगा? करीना का कार्बोनेट डज नॉट
Potassium and
डिकम्पोज।
sodium.
But how to find the formula? Potassium valence is 1, carbonate is 2. So K2CO3, right? Then again, calcium to copper से लेके कोई भी कार्बोनेट लेके तो what it will get? Metal oxide and CO2. तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का फॉर्मूला कैसे आया? कैल्शियम इज 2 प्लस, कार्बोनेट इज 2 माइनस, 2 to cancel, so you get CaCO3. So calcium carbonate will give you what? Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Zinc carbonate, when you heat, you will get metal oxide. Who is the metal? Zinc and carbon dioxide. Copper carbonate will take you copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Is this clear? Now, beta, they can ask observation also. Write your observation when zinc. So you get zinc oxide. Today we studied in the beginning, na beta? It is, you get a residue which is yellow when hot, white when cold. If they ask observation, only observation. Write your observation when copper carbonate is there. Green color compound will give you black residue. एंड बेटा मैंने बोला था ना ये नीचे का दो कोई भी रहेगा तो इट विल ऑलवेज गिव इट्स ओन मेटल। कैन यू सी? राइट? सिल्वर कार्बोनेट का फॉर्मूला यू शुड नो। सिल्वर इज 1 प्लस, कार्बोनेट इज हाउ मच? 2 माइनस. सो यू गेट Ag2CO3 will give you metal CO2 and O2. Is this clear? Hello. So this was all about decomposition. What happens when mercury oxide is heated? You get mercury plus oxygen. Write your observation. Right? Red color compound will give you black. मर्क्यूरी और सिल्वर का कोई भी कंपाउंड होगा ना, व्हेन यू हीट यू इट विल गिव इट्स करस्पॉन्डिंग मेटल बेटा। राइट? देन वी डिड बेटा दिस थिंग, फोटोलाइसिस. फोटोलाइसिस मींस व्हाट? और फोटोकेमिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट. इफ यू टेक सिल्वर बेटा यू गेट सिल्वर एंड क्लोरीन. Okay, silver bromide you get silver and bromine. They will ask in exam why silver compound should be kept in dark colored bottle. Because if you keep them in transparent bottle, they will undergo photochemical decomposition. This we have done in hydrogen or not. Water should be always acidified. We have to pass electric current. You get hydrogen and oxygen. Cathode is which terminal? Negative. Anode is which terminal? Positive. At anode, which gas is collected? Hydrogen. At cathode, which gas is collected? Sorry, oxygen at anode, and which gas at cathode? Hydrogen. Is this clear to all of you? Hello. Now in decomposition beta they can ask you various type of question. Look here. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. So look, all these things you should know. Copper nitrate, copper salt are generally blue color, copper oxide is black color, NO2 is which color gas? Reddish brown gas, oxygen is neutral. So if I ask you observation, so what you will say? Blue color compound, whatever thing is visible, that will write. Blue color compound will give you black residue and reddish brown gas. Because for this, there is no observation. Hey, what happens when lead nitrate is heated? White color compound will give you yellow residue and reddish brown gas. Right? Okay. What will happen when ammonium dichromate is heated? Ammonium valence is what? 1 plus. Dichromate is 2 minus. So crisscross you do. So you get ammonium dichromate. So orange color compound decomposes violently with flashes of light to give you green residue, water and N2. Here we don't get NO2, nitrogen gas. I can ask you this question also. Name the gas released when ammonium dichromate is heated. Nitrogen. Then beta, blue vitriol or hydrated copper sulfate is what? Come on. CuSO4.5H2O. When this is heated, so blue crystalline substance will give you white amorphous powder. But if this is strong heating, so then strong heating mein what will happen? This will give you black residue SO2 and O2. Is this clear to all of you? Hello? Right? Then you'll say, where all this thing is given. Beta, look here. We did this all combination. Okay? Sorry. Yeah. Where is this? Decomposition. Yeah. Decomposition. Can you see this? Can you see mercury? ये वाला सब decomposition. They are given very slightly, but I'll explain you in detail. That is electrolytic decomposition we did, photochemical we did, right? Then there is one important thing, beta. This reaction, this is very, very important. Students generally tend to forget. Thermal dissociation. Yeah, all decomposition reaction were irreversible. Thermal decomposition is what, beta? Reversible. Can you see this? Yeah, ammonium chloride is supplementary or not? Tell me. Okay, and this is reversible. Can you see ammonia is basic gas? HCl is acidic gas. Right? They will ask you, name a reaction in which supplementary substance give you one basic and acidic gas. So ammonium chloride, and this is thermal dissociation. Yes, Ryu, tell me. Hello, someone raised.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is dissociation similar to decomposition, or is it
Yes.
the
Yeah.
same?
Decomposition was single arrow. Here it is double arrow. Can you see?
Yeah.
They will ask you name a supplementary substance which undergoes thermal dissociation. Then it is ammonium chloride. It will give you ammonia gas and HCl. If you heat it, it gives ammonia and HCl. If you cool it again, it will give you ammonium chloride. It is reversible.
So it's a reversible reaction.
So they may ask, distinguish between thermal decomposition and dissociation. Thermal decomposition is irreversible. Thermal dissociation is reversible. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Then displacement also we did, right? Okay, double decomposition I'm going to explain, but before that I want to do this displacement. Can you see this displacement reaction? It is based on the reactivity series. Can you see? Carina and car react with cold water to give you hydroxide and hydrogen. This we have done in hydrogen. Then Mangal Zindabad filling will give you what? Metal oxide. This reaction is very, very important. We have done this in hydrogen also. Balancing 3, 4, and this was magnetic oxide of iron. This reaction is reversible. Right? Can you discuss? Yes, but I'm going to do the past paper. So we have discussed last class. I'm going to do the worksheet and this. Don't worry. Okay. Now I wanted you to I want to discuss with you this part, beta. Look, can you see this? This part. Carina ka carbonate does not decompose. Calcium to copper we did na beta, gives you what? Metal oxide and carbon dioxide. Mercury or silver hoga to it will give you metal, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Carina ka nitrate decompose to give you metal, nitrate and oxygen. Calcium to copper nitrate, it will give you metal oxide, NO2 and O2. This I explained you or not. Mercury and silver ka will give you metal, NO2 and O2. All this trick I have given to you. Now there are few things which are very important that you all should know. And this is about this. They will ask about the catalyst beta. Okay. Catalyst, they will ask you in sulfur trioxide which catalyst is used. Hurry, come on. These are reversible reactions. Vanadium pentoxide. For hydrogen, it is Fe.
Finally divided.
Fe. Very good. Now they will ask you what is catalyst, an example of positive catalyst and negative. A catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of chemical reaction. Now they will ask you during decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This is hydrogen peroxide gives you water and O2. Hydrogen peroxide, remember this. Which is the catalyst here? Manganese dioxide. In preparation of sulfur trioxide, who is the catalyst? Vanadium pentoxide. For preparation of ammonia, who is the catalyst? Fe. Now this is also very important reaction.
So the
Ammonia,
M over there is molybdenum.
molybdenum, that is the promoter. Promoter. Okay. This is also very important reaction for balancing 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay, ammonia reacts with oxygen to give platinum. And what is the catalyst here? Platinum. And this is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Neutral gas. And platinum is there. Then they will ask you what is the positive catalyst which speeds up the rate of reaction. All these are positive catalyst. MnO2, B2O5, FeO. What is negative catalyst which reduces? Only negative catalyst in your syllabus is alcohol. Right? Then what is the promoter? It is added to the catalyst to increase the efficiency. Molybdenum example. Then what are enzymes? Enzymes are present in living body. So they are biocatalysts. Biochemical reactions. Okay. Pepsin present in converts protein to amino acid in our stomach. Then I wanted you to remember exothermic and endothermic. Look beta, wherever this plus triangle is written, all these are exothermic. Exo. And this is what beta? These two. This is endo. एंडो में तो एक तो वाटर गैस हाइड्रोजन में फर्स्ट स्टेप वाला था
The
बॉस
endo
प्रोसेस
is absorption of
हाँ
heat.
फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ बॉस प्रोसेस एंड दिस आल्सो नाइट्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन 3000
Recorded
degree gives
now.
nitric oxide. Now they will ask you what is quicklime. Calcium oxide is quicklime. And if they ask you what is lime water is what? Calcium hydroxide. Clear? Okay, right? Then they will ask you about this oxides. Very important. Which are acidic oxide? I told you, beta SO2, NO2, all these are because when they dissolve in water, they give you what? Acid. Metal oxide are basic. Can you see this? When dissolve in water, it gives you base. What are amphoteric? This is very important. Janabi, Aline, Pub, zinc oxide, PbNO2, O3, they are what? Amphoteric. Who are neutral? NOCO, nitric oxide. This is nitric oxide. And CO is carbon monoxide. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What are, this is peroxide. Mixed oxide means, can you see this Fe3O4? That was a mixed oxide. Okay? Right? Now, we have to do neutralization reaction. Neutralization. Double decomposition, there are two type of reaction. One is precipitation and neutralization. In neutralization, what will happen? Acid react with base to give you salt and water.
Salt and water.
In precipitation, two soluble salt will give you one soluble and one insoluble.
So
Ferric
the
hydroxide
insoluble one is called precipitate.
precipitate. Reaction between two soluble to give you one insoluble is known as precipitation. Zinc sulfate plus ammonium hydroxide will give you zinc hydroxide, gelatinous white PPT. This is very, very important. You should know. Acha, if in our stomach, beta, if there is acidity, what we drink? ENO. So what we take up from outside, ENO, digene, gelusil, that is what? Antacid. It will neutralize the acid in our stomach. If beta, a red ant will bite you, it secrete acid. Or a honey bee bites you, it secrete acid. So what we apply on it, beta? Baking soda. Baking soda is what? Base. So it will neutralize it. This type of question they will ask you, beta. Okay. Now I go to your worksheet and papers also I'll discuss. Chalo, aa jao, beta.
So we were done with this.
Wait, no. We did only questions related
Oh
to
yeah,
what?
yeah.
We did question related to only.
Elements
Hydrogen
compound.
and EC.
Okay. Now look, this we have to do. Magnesium in burning is a combination reaction. True, beta, right? A magnesium plus oxygen will give you what? Magnesium oxide.
MgO2.
Okay. And balancing I have not done. I'll teach you balancing also. I have to do that. I will cover that also. two or more substances combine to form single.
Both A and R, true.
Yeah,
and
both
R.
AR occur and R
Both
is
A
a
and R are true and
nitrogen
R.
react with oxygen at very high temperature. You remember, na, beta, we did this reaction 3000 degree we used to take. Endothermic reaction, remember? Why we have to take high temperature? Because nitrogen is chemically inert. Very good. So both are true. And this
And
is the
RX with zinc.
correct explanation.
Yes.
Zinc sulfide is formed when
Sir,
zinc
that
reacts.
reaction, sir, एक second, वो reaction endothermic होगा या exothermic सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Endo.
Okay, sir.
Endo. Zinc sulfide is formed when zinc reacts with sulfur. True. Metal reacts with non-metal to form ionic compound. True. Clear?
But it's not the correct. It
No,
is.
correct explanation
So
also
it
it
is
is.
the correct
It is
explanation.
the correct explanation.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
काय करूं?
Carbon monoxide is formed when carbon burns in limited oxide. True. If you take limited, you get carbon monoxide. If you take excess, then you will get what? Carbon dioxide.
Sir.
Incomplete combustion occurs when oxygen supply is limited. Very good, beta. True. चलो, now we go to, yeah, copper oxide. नहीं, ये सब हो गया था, ये हो गया था, हो गया था, ये हो गया था, ये भी हो गया था. Okay, this also. Which type of this also? Which type of reaction occur when magnesium burns in oxygen? Bolo.
Sir,
Combination reaction.
It burns
combination
with
reaction.
dazzling white flame. Magnesium oxide when it burns,
Sir,
you
2 MgO. 2 mg.
yeah. So it is a combination.
We got it.
Carbon is burned in excess. Look, beta,
CO2.
CO2. If
CO2.
they say excess, then CO2. But if they say beta limited, then carbon monoxide. But here it would be CO2. Gas which is reddish brown color. We did
Sir.
that today.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen dioxide.
Which compound is formed when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen? Ammonia. Black colored copper oxide.
CO.
CO.
Gas with Rotanex smell.
H2S.
H2S.
Quicklime. What is quicklime, beta? Quicklime is calcium
CO.
oxide. Just now we
CO.
did. If you dissolve in water, what you get? Calcium
Sir.
hydroxide.
Calcium hydroxide.
And beta, just now we did. What was this reaction? Tell me, beta. ये रहा ऊपर ही था ना, कहाँ पे था?
Sir.
ये रहा.
Neutral.
Exothermic.
Excellent.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Plus triangle है ना बेटा? Exothermic. Very important. Clear?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Exothermic. Clear? Acha, this is also very acid anhydride of sulfuric acid. Oh my God, what is this? Look at
Is it H2?
सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में से अगर मैंने पानी निकाल दिया, हाइड्रा मीन्स वाटर, एनहाइड्रा मीन्स रिमूव वाटर, तो इसमें से H2 गायब हो जाएगा और क्या बचेगा तुम्हारे पास? SO3. SO3 is what? Acid anhydride of sulfuric acid. Clear?
Sir, hydrate means without
Water, yeah,
water.
without
We got
water.
it.
Without water. फिर येलो ऑक्साइड which turns white on heating. बोलो.
Zinc oxide.
Zinc oxide.
Sir, you missed question 33.
33 we have
That is
already done.
not
That
in
was-
our portion.
वो पोर्शन में है. अभी आज दोपहर को किया था ना 5 बजे.
हाँ सर, पोर्शन एज इन अभी इस क्लास में जो करने वाले थे.
Colorless liquid, nitrogen plus chlorine. Nitrogen plus chlorine, if you react, what do you get, beta? ये कलर रॉन्ग लिखा है बेटा. इट इज येलो लिक्विड. इट इज नाइट्रोजन ट्राइक्लोराइड. अभी मैंने बताया था ना वो बेटा. भूल गए क्या? राइट.
तो बता.
हाँ बेटा, ये देख. This we did, beta. Rotanex,
H2S.
black oxide, copper
So
oxide.
CO.
Copper oxide. Name, whenever they say name, you have to write name. Acid anhydride, sulfur trioxide.
Sulfur trioxide.
We got it.
Compound formed when P2O5 is. देखो बेटा, P2O5. When we dissolve this in water, what do you get? H3PO4. This is what? Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Clear? Now look, beta, they have told what is the name of lime water. Lime water is what? Calcium hydroxide.
CaCO3.
No.
CaOH, my bad.
That is lime water. Okay, calcium hydroxide. They have asked name, beta. Calcium hydroxide. एक ना बेटा एक. Oh God. चलो बेटा आ जाते. मैसेज कौन कर रहा है? हाँ ये हो गया बेटा. अच्छा नाउ whenever they say observation, please write observation. Don't write reaction. When lead with, acha, I just for a explanation I am telling you. When you burn lead with oxygen, what you will get?
तो Pb plus हो गया lead oxide.
PbO. अच्छा lead oxide बेटा बैलेंस नहीं किया, चलो मैं डाल देता है. You get residue which is what? Buff yellow residue. So all what you'll write? Observation they have asked. Don't write the
Buff
reaction.
yellow residue.
Buff yellow residue. Are you getting it? Or yellow residue, if you write, then also will get mass. Nitric oxide is heated with oxygen. Nitric oxide.
Reddish brown.
NO2 you will get, right? So reddish brown gas. Observation. What happens when silver is exposed to air? When silver is exposed to air, beta, it will react with sulfur.
AgO.
No.
AgS. Mama.
Ag2S. And this is what beta, black color tarnish. सिल्वर पे बेटा ब्लैक हो जाता है ना, चांदी की पायल वगैरह पे या चांदी का कोई ओवर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो ब्लैक हो जाता है. क्या हो जाएगा
Yes, sir.
Rust. Yes, sir.
Black coating you will get, or we can say silver get tarnished to black. Clear है? सल्फर रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोजन, क्या बनेगा? हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड.
Rotten
smell. Observation.
H2S.
No, you don't have to write H2S. You have to write observation. Beta, observation. When zinc burn in oxygen, what you will get?
Yellow when hot
Yellow
or
when
white when cold.
cold.
You get a residue. Yellow when hot, white when cold. Clear? Mercury is heated with oxygen. So beta, when mercury is heated with oxygen, what you get? Mercury oxide. What was the color of mercury oxide? Okay, orange red color. What it is, beta?
Orange red.
We have done all this, beta. Do you remember where was mercury oxide, bro? It was here. Can you see this?
So can you rotate it?
अरे देखना ये mercury रेड कलर या ऑरेंज रेड कुछ भी लिखेगा चलेगा. Oh, observation we have done, sir. Okay. Now write the balanced chemical equation for the following element oxygen with oxygen. This I'll teach you, don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Exothermic reaction, heat is released. Endothermic heat is
Heat is absorbed.
combination, two or more
Absorbed.
element or compound give you one compound. Decomposition, one reactant will give you two or more compounds. Now we directly come to what beta? नहीं एक और बाकी है इसमें से. चलो आ जाते. अरे ये कहाँ खोला? Myra, we have done past papers last class. You forgot or what, beta? Hello, Myra.
Yes,
Myra.
that I had the past papers, so then I forgot that you done it last class.
Last class, that recording I have sent in the group, beta. Those who want to do past paper, again I'll send it right now only, otherwise I'll forget. Past paper, beta, all past 3 years paper I have discussed in that class. Wait, I'll send you again. Then worksheet solving and past paper also was there in that, I guess, right? No? Okay. Okay, worksheet solving. Okay, no, not a problem, beta. Past paper also भी हम लोग कर देंगे बेटा फटाफट. Don't worry. ठीक है ना? We have time. But why I was हाँ बेटा अभी मुझे याद है बेटा मैंने past paper क्यों नहीं किया था? Because in that बेटा you had carbon also बेटा. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
There
few
was-
No,
questions
sir,
are
except for carbon, can you please make us do the past paper?
Yeah.
So we'll know the format.
Yeah, beta. I will do that. Don't worry. Okay.
Thank
Yeah. I'll do that. Don't be worried, bro. ओ मई
So balancing.
बैलेंसिंग भी कराएगी ना बेटा, 2 मिनट रुको, इंसान हूँ भाई। ओके, ऑल दिस वी हैव डन बेटा, ये सब जाने दो बेटा। अच्छा, ये इसमें से आपको पहले चलो आइडेंटिफाई करो, कम ऑन, ये विच रिएक्शन इट इज।
Decomposition reaction.
Decomposition.
ये इसने इसको लात मारा तो डिस्प्लेस,
Displacement.
दिस इज
Combination.
कॉम्बी, दिस इज इसने इसको लात मारा,
Single displacement.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट, अरे डिस्प्लेसमेंट,
High.
दिस इज कॉम्बी।
Combination.
Combination.
Okay, beta. Now this is very interesting question, beta. We have done this. Look what they have told, beta.
B is most reactive.
Look, B ने A को लात मारा, B ने C को भी लात मारा, और A ने किसको लात मारा?
ये जरा ध्यान. C.
C को।
And C is least
तो
reactive.
B सबको लात मार रहा है, तो B is most reactive, और A भी C को लात मार रहा है, तो B
C
के बाद
is
कौन आएगा? A, फिर कौन आएगा? C. So who is the most reactive?
B.
B. Who is the least reactive?
C.
C. Photochemical, this all we did, huh? Neutralize all definition we did, huh, beta? Okay. Now I'm going to open your past paper. Where is the past paper?
India.
Wait. Huh? This is which standard? Let me see. 9th का क्यों आ रहा है?
Hakla.
Oh my God. Don't you worry, bro. Let me open.
Sir, I blame Hakla.
That was 2025.
You have paper of 2025. I have sent this, na better wait.
Wow.
Rudra was also 2025.
Okay, बेटा आ गया बेटा, डोंट वरी, अपने पास पेपर आ गया सब। चलो,
Yeah, Rudra Bhandar.
ये 2025 का मेरे पास ये फोटो था बेटा, ये रहा, मैं ओपन कर दूंगा, डोंट वरी।
W, sir.
अभी मैं अभी पेपर ओपन किया, कौन सा है? ये रहा, 667 आ गया बेटा। चलो,
अरे यार.
shut your
Sir,
mouth
that
now.
was 2025.
Which one?
She's talking about your 6-7 job.
Shut up. No, this is 2023 बेटा। Rusting of iron is called with change। अरे ये सब चेंज वेंज नहीं है बेटा, सब ये भी नहीं है, ट्रू सोल्यूशन भी नहीं है। शे, this is also not there। ये this the water, हाँ, खाली एम्फोटेरिक वाला कौन सा है बताओ?
Al2O3.
वेरी गुड। रिएक्ट्स विथ ओनली स्टीम, स्टीम के साथ
Iron.
मंगल जिंदाबाद, फीलिंग में से कौन आएगा? आयरन।
Iron. Yeah.
दिस इज नॉट देयर। हाँ, who can replace magnesium from the solution? करीना ने कार मांगी।
कार.
कार, ठीक है ना बेटा?
Yes.
ये नहीं है,
पाठक और
ये नहीं है। हाँ, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज, करीना ने कार मांगी, अल्टो, जैन, फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट, मर्क्यूरी, सिल्वर
Silver plated order.
ये ऑर्डर हो जाएगा तुम्हारा। कौन सा मैच हो रहा है इसमें बताओ? बी।
B.
ठीक है, ये वाला भी नहीं है, ये चैप्टर नहीं था, ये भी नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने वो नहीं कहा। देख, इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस एन एग्जांपल ऑफ विच रिएक्शन?
Decomposition.
डिकम्पोजिशन। देखिए आया कि नहीं? क्लासिफाई द एसिडिक बेसिक, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या है? एसिडिक।
Acidic. Lead
जनाबी अलीम
oxide
कब?
is
Amphoteric.
amphoteric and
Amphoteric.
calcium oxide basic. Yeah.
Basic oxide.
बेसिक, ठीक है। ये सब नहीं है बेटा तुम लोग को, ये भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें से जो पूछ रहा था
Sir,
ना
the blue litmus is there,
Blue
I think.
litmus is there, no?
अरे स्टेट योर ऑब्जर्वेशन व्हेन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम्स इन व्हाट बेटा? योर
Carbon.
कार्बन में, वो वाला इसलिए नहीं बोला मैंने, समझा कि नहीं? चलो ये क्लासिफाई
फिर
बोला
पर वो
बेटा।
ब्लू लिटमस रेड वाले का क्या था?
अरे ब्लू लिटमस रेड होगा तो एसिडिक।
Actually, it won't change the color.
हाँ, ब्लू
Okay.
लिटमस, हाँ मतलब ऐसे में बता रहा हूँ ऐसे। ये दिस इज विच रिएक्शन?
Sir,
डिस्प्लेसमेंट।
displacement.
दिस इज डिकम्पोज,
Decomposition reaction.
डिकॉम्प।
Sir,
This is
displacement.
नहीं, precipitate।
Displacement.
So
Double
precipitation,
So,
no precipitation। PPT बना दो, precipitation।
Maybach music.
Precipitation। This is base, this is acid। Acid react with base to give you salt and water. So which reaction?
Sir, neutralization.
Neutralization.
And this is combi।
Combination.
This is combi। balance the equation beta. Okay, so I'll give you the balance equation beta. Okay, balancing I'll explain you beta how to balance it. Okay, तो चलो बेटा
Okay.
सल्फर प्लस अच्छा whenever we do balancing I have told you whenever you do balancing so whenever if I say beta oxygen or nitrogen only nitrogen or only chlorine right beta only bromine. Okay, so we have to always write O2. This will be N2. This will be Cl2. This will be Br2.
Br2.
Are you getting it? Oxygen, nitrogen. If I say only hydrogen, then you'll write what? H2.
H2.
Okay, if
Abstain.
I say ammonia, then what do you have to write? NH3.
NH3.
Whenever I say sulfuric acid, what will write?
Hey, Tavish,
SO3.
I hear you like that, yeah.
SO4, sorry.
H2SO4. Whenever I say beta nitric acid, what do you have to write?
HNO3.
HNO3. Whenever I say phosphoric acid, then what do you have to write?
H3PO4.
H2PO4. H3PO4, right? Whenever I say
Maybach Mule.
carbon dioxide, then it is
CO2.
CO2. Whenever I say nitrogen dioxide, then
Sir, N.
बोल आगे.
NO2.
NO2.
No,
NCR.
Whenever I say nitric oxide, then
Sir, NO3.
NO3.
NO. Nitric oxide is NO.
3.
NO. NO. Carbon monoxide, then
CO.
CO.
CO. Okay? So this you have to remember, and then we will go to the balancing. चलो आ जाते. What they have told beta, sulfur plus
So what is acid anhydride again?
acid anhydride
Without
of
hydrogen.
sulfuric
Without
acid was
water.
SO3. SO3 we did ना बेटा 2 बार तो आया था वो क्वेश्चन. What were you doing? Sleeping or what?
No, sitting.
Then I was eating.
Wow.
Okay. Sulfur plus oxygen. Now sulfur oxygen को कैसे लिखने का बोलो?
Nothing's new at here.
O2.
O2. So what do you get?
Nah.
Sir, but S का वो 8 होता है ना, so why do we
नहीं,
write just
NaCl5.
S का 8 नहीं होता है. S को ऐसे लिखते हैं हम लोग. रिएक्शन में ऐसे लिखते हैं.
Okay.
नाइट्रोजन अच्छा अभी इक्वेशन इज ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड.
Kabir lives in the cotton farm.
Okay. Nitrogen if they say beta how will you write nitrogen? N2.
N2 plus O2.
2. Now beta N2 plus O2 gives you what? NO.
NO2.
Remember 3000 degrees.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I want to balance, so I put here 2. Clear?
Yes, sir. H2 plus O2.
H2 plus O2.
H2.
H2O.
Abstain.
Okay. Then what you have to do beta?
2H2
Sir,
plus
sir,
O2 gives 2H2O. Damn.
Sigma.
Tavish Epstein के आगे बोल.
Bas, whether the statement and neutralization reaction is an example of combination, false. ये नहीं है. Electrolysis is brought by decomposition of heat.
False.
False.
Most reactive metal in the reactivity series is placed
False.
at bottom.
False.
False. 500.
अबे चलो इधर पे आ जाते हैं. बैलेंसिंग करना है बेटा यहाँ पर.
Yes.
तो बैलेंसिंग में K plus O2 they are given K2. I have told you now how to balance. You have to write K, you have to write O. K कितना है लेफ्ट में? 1.
1.
यहाँ पे कितना है? 2.
2.
O कितना है? 2. यहाँ पे कितना है? 1. कभी भी ऑड को इवन बनाने का K अभी यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन तेरा यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, तो you have to make it 2. तो this will become अरे यार कलर ऐसा आ गया 2. बट O कितना हो गया? K कितना हो गया? 4. तो अभी इसको क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? 4 बनाना.
4K.
4 2 2 balanced. Easy,
Very easy.
4K.
right? PbCl2 में बेटा Cl2 और 2 है, तो यहाँ पे क्या डाल देंगे? 2. Easy. Na में से यहाँ पे 2 डालना पड़ेगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि Cl यहाँ पे 2 था, तो now here it will put 2.
Decomposition reaction.
Right बेटा. Now they have given you aluminium plus oxygen. So aluminium plus oxygen gives you what? Aluminium valence is 3, oxygen is 2. So what do you get? Al2O3.
AL2O3.
Al2O3. Now if I want to balance, So here is Al, here is oxygen. Al, here it is 1, here it is 2, oxygen here it is 2, here it is 3. ऑड को इवन बनाने का
2Al.
ये नहीं, ऑड को, ये ऑड है ना, इसको इवन बनाने के लिए मैं ऑड
वो
डालूंगा
तो
2,
2
तो 2 डालेंगे तो ये 4 हो जाएगा। ये कितना
हो
हो जाएगा?
जाएगा
6। अभी ये 4
तो
है तो यहाँ पे क्या
4Al
डालेंगे?
और
4,
3O2
और ये 3
3O2
2
Oh.
6 हो जाएगा कि नहीं? 4 4
DD
बैलेंस। कैल्शियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स यू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड। अभी यहाँ पे 2 डालेंगे, बैलेंस हो जाएगा। ठीक है।
ओके सर
प्योर वाटर इज अ बैड कंडक्टर, व्हाई? बिकॉज इट डज नॉट हैव फ्री आयंस।
यस सर
ये सब नहीं है तुमको,
Sir, we
ये है
have it in
ये नहीं
hydrogen.
है वाटर,
अच्छा
ये
अच्छा
वाला
अच्छा
नहीं है।
हाँ, वो ठीक है ठीक है
चुपचाप बैठना जो बोल रहा। एक्सोथर्मिक एंडोथर्मिक आपको आ जाएगा, कॉम्बिनेशन आ जाएगा, खत्म।
Uh,
केमिकल
या
फॉर्मूला
यार अभी अभी
नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, डाइऑक्साइड मीन्स NO2, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड मीन्स CO।
CO.
फोटो ये सब नहीं है,
आगे
काजल बाजल ये सब कुछ नहीं है इसमें सर।
Kajal.
ये सब जाने दो बेटा, ये सब भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, पूरा ये कार्बन का है बेटा। हाँ, खाली
अब कुछ
प्रिया
नहीं
नहीं केमिकल का है ना। प्रिया केप्ट आयन नेल इन कॉपर से, मैंने बोला था ना, ये कॉपर सल्फेट लिया है।
Priya miss.
हाँ, कॉपर सल्फेट के अंदर प्रिया ने क्या डाला?
Iron nail.
आयन नेल। डन। तो क्या हो जाएगा बोलो? गिव द
ब्लू से
केमिकल
ग्रीन हो
रिएक्शन।
Blue
जाएगा
color will fade.
तो
या
फर्स्ट
It will
Fe
become
प्लस
reddish
Fe
brown.
plus
रिएक्शन,
CuSO4
4 plus C.
equals to FeSO4 plus
हाँ Fe प्लस तो क्या देगा
हाँ, तो
आपको?
blue color जाएगा ना।
हाँ,
ब्लू
पहला
कलर जाएगा और वो
रिएक्शन।
plus
ग्रीन हो
CO.
जाएगा
नेम द टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन।
Sir,
डिस्प्लेसमेंट।
Blue color
displacement.
Displacement.
अरे वो पूछा
replacement.
ही नहीं है, ऑब्जर्व। अभी तो क्या पूछ रहा है वो देखना बेटा, जो पहला ये आ गया राइट। दूसरा केमिकल
Displacement.
टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन हो गया डिस्प्लेसमेंट। तीसरा क्या पूछा? विच मेटल गेट डिपॉजिटेड ऑन आयन नेल। तो इसमें से कौन बाहर आया? कॉपर। तो कॉपर विल गेट डिपॉजिटेड। ठीक है,
ओके
पढ़ो ना
Okay.
क्वेश्चन क्या है।
Oh.
It's clocking.
W I
I didn't
C
know that.
Oh.
yeah
फोटोलाइसिस इज व्हाट बेटा? लाइट।
लाइट
और तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस इज
Electricity.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ये सब नहीं है तुमको।
नहीं है
कुछ नहीं है.
हाँ, मैग्नीशियम
Chemistry.
बर्न करेगा तो बेटा मैग्नीशियम बर्न्स विद ब्राइट लाइट और नॉट डेजलिंग व्हाइट फ्लेम।
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड 2 इजी।
Yes.
आई गेस
yes sir
Then I have to open which paper this was, which one? 6. Now we go to 7.
6.
7
six seven six
बस बैठ बैठ रहे। अरे एक बच्चे को मैं बोलता
सार्थक।
हो
No,
विकास।
say 6 7. No, say 6 7.
वेट
Shana is there in the recording. You can see it.
No, I didn't hear it as a live. So
इतने हंसियां आ गए हैं.
ही
एक मिनट।
कबीर ने पाकिस्तान डाला.
ए विकास
फॉर
बेटा,
श्योर
एक मिनट बेटा। ए विकास बेटा, विकास हेलो।
विकास.
विकास कौन
नहीं विकास ज्वाइन लेटर ऑन, माय अदर क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन। चलो ठीक है।
Who's विकास
who is Vigas?
There was one boy of 12th
sir
standard.
do you have any student name
Guys,
Tushar?
he's still in the. Oh, he left.
हाँ,
He
मैंने
was
उसको बोल दिया।
Vikas.
हाँ
Okay,
बस।
sir, can you say 6 7 once? I
Shut your
didn't
mouth
know.
and let me complete the past paper. तो
Sigma.
ए सबको मैं भगा दूंगा जो भी टाइम पास किया तो अभी। ए कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2.
एलिमेंट्स
Do you have
Elements
It
and
can be element and compound also
Elements
ना।
and compounds.
So all of the above.
ऑल ऑफ द
अरे
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट
बेटा कॉम्बिनेशन में ऐसा भी हो सकता था ना, Fe प्लस
yes sir
S,
that's correct
फिर CO2 प्लस वाटर, ऐसा भी हो सकता था कि नहीं? बोलो बेटा।
Yes.
एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सिल्वर गेट टार्निश्ड बाय
Oxygen.
क्या? ऑक्सीजन सल्फर के साथ रिएक्ट होता है। ये
Sulfur.
अभी बताया था ना। कलर ऑफ लेड ऑक्साइड इज
Sir.
The yellow
yellow.
yellow dirty
येलो
sir. Sitting on a
येलो।
papaya.
केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ लाइम वाटर देख, लाइम वाटर
Eating
कितनी बार आ रहा है?
marshmallow.
बार बार आ रहा है।
C A oh wait I'm unmuted
प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व इनसॉल्युबल प्रोडक्ट। बेसिक ऑक्साइड कौन है इसमें से? बेसिक
Sir.
H2CO.
H2C.
मारेगा। बेसिक बोला है, मेटल ऑक्साइड और बेसिक,
बे एसिड है वो।
वो एसिड है।
नो बेस है वो बेस।
हाँ, अभी ये सब जान दे, ये नहीं है। ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ नॉन मेटल आर, नॉन मेटल मतलब कौन होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। ये सबको पानी में डालता था तो क्या मिलता था बोल?
Sir,
छोड़ दे।
एसिड ना, एसिडिक।
Acidic.
ये नहीं है,
gas.
ये भी नहीं है सिलेबस में,
Ayo.
ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है। हाँ, विच इज द नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन? कलर लाइट,
Sir,
ग्रेन
it is
कलर,
grain color.
Grain color.
मिक्सचर ऑफ डैश
Grain
एटम्स
Grain
यूज्ड इन
color.
बलून। हाइड्रोजन
रे
एंड क्या
big
डालते हैं हम
gas
लोग बेटा?
Sir,
हीलियम।
helium.
Helium.
हीलियम।
So when you eat helium, then you become high pitched, right?
सल्फर
I didn't know
डाइऑक्साइड,
that.
सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज एसिडिक।
एसिडिक गैस,
Acidic.
पोटेशियम ऑक्साइड
Sir,
is
बेसिक,
basic and
Amphoteric.
amphoteric.
Amphoteric gas.
क्लोरीन gives you
Cl2 and then H2S. Second one is H2S.
H2S।
Good.
25 का पेपर है, किसके पास? ग्रुप में भेजो ना, मेरे पास वो फोटो
Yeah,
है।
I have, sir.
सेंड इन द
Yeah,
ग्रुप
तो
में बेटा। द रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिड एंड बेस इज कॉल्ड
Sir, neutralization reaction.
न्यूट्रलाइजेशन। सब्सटेंस which speeds up the
Catalyst.
reaction,
Sir, catalyst of Pramodar.
कैटलिस्ट। भाई प्रमोटर,
नहीं
कैटलिस्ट
होता,
ओनली।
promoter efficiency बढ़ाता है.
कार्बन वाला ये नहीं है।
Oh.
अच्छा, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ वॉस प्रोसेस।
Water
Sir,
gas.
water gas.
Water
C
gas.
plus O2.
वेट, इसने पेपर भेजा, देख लेता हूं मैं, 25 वाला। वाटर गैस। टेन 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 टेन, आजा आजा, अरे किधर गया?
Sir, happy.
और ये 25 का पेपर इज ऑल्सो देयर इन, बट हम लोग पहले 24 करेंगे। चलो, फिर ये हो गया बेटा। अभी ये यार एक का ही की क्लासिफाई करने को आ रहा है। चलो बताओ बेटा, ये कौन सा है? कॉम्बी।
Combination.
कितने लाख?
Sir, displacement.
Replacement.
Then it's decomposition.
Sir, electrolysis.
हाँ, लेकिन वो नहीं लिखा है तो डिकम्पोजिशन आएगा। ऑप्शन देखो ना क्या लिखा है। एलिमिनेट। ये क्या हो रहा है बेटा? डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट,
Doubly decomposition.
डबली 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 डबली। ये क्या दिया है?
W.
Sir, है ही नहीं.
ये रॉन्ग
Wow.
दिया है।
Wow.
डबल डिक,
हाँ
Our
सर, ये
brains
रॉन्ग
are
दिया है,
so
मैंने पढ़ा था
smart.
सर।
So
सर मैंने
smart.
पढ़ा था, ये रॉन्ग दिया था।
So
ये रॉन्ग।
Habib.
ये बेटा
So the last one has AG, so it's precipitation, sir.
प्रेसिपिटेशन। डाउनवर्ड एरो इज देयर ना।
Shania Sigma.
सिग्मा शराया।
कार्बन
और-
प्लस ए ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स यू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड।
I didn't know that.
Shanigma.
If we did this,
Sir,
nitrogen
wait,
NO2
carbon
and
plus oxygen
O2.
can also give carbon monoxide.
but have they told limited supply? No, na? Then
But then it can be
no,
anything.
no,
Will
it is
it be
not
fine?
limited supply. It is not limited supply.
सर तो
No.
अगर मेंशन किया नहीं गया तो फिर हमें क्या, हम
हाँ,
क्या
यही
लें
लेना है।
उसको?
मैंने जो बोला वो दिमाग खराब मत करो।
सर बस पूछ रहे हैं यार.
तो ये ज्यादा दिमाग मत खराब, जितना बोल रहा उतना करो। सोडियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन, सोडियम ऐसा लिखने का, ऑक्सीजन ऑलवेज राइट O2, व्हाट विल गेट?
Na2.
Na2 नहीं, Na2O, sodium valence is 1,
I said
oxygen.
also.
So now we need to balance. So what here? Sodium, here it is 2, oxygen here it is 2. So here I am going to put 2 and here I have to put what? 4. Balanced. Got it? Carbon monoxide is produced due to incomplete, ये सब नहीं है सिलेबस में, ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है। Nitric acid is used in preparation of hydrogen, false.
False.
Balance this equation beta. So here you put 2, here you put 2, that's it. ये मीथेन का है बेटा, मीथेन का what you will do beta here you put 2, sorry no 1 here you will put 2.
Sir, 2 in oxygen also because it becomes 4.
Trushan teach us something.
Sir, you're on mute.
It will be 2 and here it will be this. Are you getting it? Barium chloride में chlorine is 2, H is 2, so here we put 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now what they have told, sodium from sodium chloride. तो सोडियम से तेरे को क्या बनाने को
N
बोला है? सोडियम
N
क्लोराइड. So you will make it react with whom?
plus
Chlorine. So
Cl2.
2 here and 2 here. Potassium from potassium hydroxide. तो फ्रॉम पोटेशियम नो
K
के नहीं, के बेटा, के को हम लोग वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे तब जाके पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनेगा. एंड
KOH.
हाइड्रोजन, डू यू रिमेम्बर? अरे हाइड्रोजन
हाँ?
का है पहला ही रिएक्शन, हाइड्रोजन प्लस कोल्ड वाटर, राइट? So what
Yeah,
you are going to
Karina.
get? 2. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड फ्रॉम कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट से कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड कब बनता था? व्हेन यू हीट इट. आर यू गेटिंग इट डियर? एंड दिस इक्वेशन इज ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड. इजी.
Yes, sir.
चलो. Silver nitrate is stored in dark color bottle. Why?
Because it reacts with sunlight.
Chemical
It
decomposition.
reacts with sunlight.
Hydrogen is not used
The
in air.
combination of air and hydrogen is
Yeah,
highly
it is explosive.
Explosive.
Bad
ये
and
नहीं है.
explosive.
Sir, I have a
Granulated.
question.
या क्या उन्हें?
Because it
Sir,
has
silver nitrate is AgNO3, na?
So what?
Sir, I'm asking you.
We did this also. Granulated zinc is preferred. Why?
Sir,
Because it has
because
the
it
impurity.
contains certain
Impurities which
It has a
impurities
causes
which
catalyzing
contains
effect.
catalyzing effect on the
impurities.
reaction.
Very good. Electrolysis, this you can do. This is not in the syllabus. This you can do. Oxidation is what, beta? Removal of hydrogen. Reduction is addition of hydrogen. With respect to hydrogen, they told. Exothermic, endothermic, heat is evolved. Heat is absorbed.
Yes.
Now here they have told you to write the name, name. So we have to write name. Whenever mercury and oxygen react, you get HgO, but we don't write HgO, but I will write mercuric oxide. Mercuric oxide or mercury 2 oxide, because valency of mercury is 2 here, beta. Lead oxide and hydrochloric acid will react, you get lead chloride. But you have to write the valency also. So lead 2 chloride. Be careful. Nitric oxide combined with oxygen. Nitric oxide was O. When it combines with oxygen, you get NO2. So we'll write nitrogen dioxide. Are you getting it? Hello. Nitrogen dioxide. Clear? एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड कौन है इसमें से? जनाबे अली इन पब कौन होगा?
Lead oxide.
Lead oxide.
रिएक्ट्स ओनली विद
Iron.
स्टीम.
Steam. Iron.
अच्छा, ये दोनों नहीं है. ठीक है ना बेटा? विच इज द ड्राइंग एजेंट फॉर
Oh,
हाइड्रोजन एनहाइड्रस कैल्शियम क्लोराइड. ठीक है, ये दोनों नहीं है सिलेबस में. फिर ये देख, हाइड्रोजन का आपको आ जाएगा कि नहीं, बोलो हेलो.
Yes, sir. Zinc granules.
Yes.
जिंक
That's
ग्रैनुलर.
carbon dioxide.
हाँ, this is
It's
carbon
not
dioxide.
part.
Not in the syllabus. What is a redox reaction? Reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. What is a neutral oxide? It is an oxide when dissolved in water. It will neither form acid nor it form base. Thermal decomposition by absorption of heat.
About by absorption of heat. Yeah.
नहीं है बेटा, ये भी नहीं है. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड वाला था बेटा ये तो. ये जिंक और हाइड्रोजन का आ गया बेटा. जिंक प्लस डाइल्यूट HCl. You have to write here, dilute. If you don't
Sir,
write,
can
you
you
lose.
see the definition of neutral oxide once again?
Dil HCl.
अरे हाइड्रोजन बेटा.
When dissolved in water does not give you
बेटा
either
ये
acid
पढ़ना
or
यहाँ
base.
पर ऑक्साइड दिया था ना बेटा, न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड एकदम एंड में. देखना दिया है ना, पढ़ेगा तो आएगा ना भाई मेरी.
Yes, sir.
They do, when react in water, they do not form neither acid nor base. ठीक है, कौन सा पेपर था ये अपना? ये रहा मैं. ओके, जिंक इन स्टीम. व्हाट विल गिव यू जिंक एंड स्टीम? Zinc hydroxide. Sorry, zinc oxide and hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
The equation is already balanced. Sodium hydroxide. Hey, now this is very important. Huh? Zinc when react with NOH, what do you get? Sodium zincate. Do you remember? Sodium valency is 1 plus. Zincate is 2 minus. So 2 will come here, 1 will go here. You get. Acha, now I need to balance the equation. So what I'm going to do here, NH2, so I'll put here 2. Thus, equation is balanced now. Is this clear? Hello?
Yes,
There
sir.
are two
Yes,
people
sir.
who has entered in the meeting. Okay, chalo. Name the product form in the. हाँ ये हो गया बेटा. Sodium. Magnesium is burnt in air. What will happen? Mg plus अरे अभी किया था ना हम लोग ने 2 MgO. Sorry.
Dazzling white fume.
Product form magnesium oxide. Balance equation में observation क्या होगा बोलो? Burns with dazzling white flame. Is this clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
अभी ये तुम्हारा 25 का पेपर है बेटा. क्या लिखा है? Burns quietly in air with pale blue flame.
Pure hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Reduction
Option
is what
B.
बेटा?
Addition of
Addition of
oxygen.
क्या?
Removal
Removal of oxygen.
क्या बोलते हैं रे आप?
Reduction बोला.
What? Diamond.
Sir,
वो सब
diamond.
नहीं है. हाँ. Is an example of
Combination reaction.
Combination.
Combination.
Sir,
combination.
iron and
आ
steel.
नहीं रहा.
ये नहीं है. Decomposition
कुछ भी बोल
reaction.
रहा है.
A compound
सही आंसर.
breaks into
Down into two or more.
Option B.
Two or more
silver
sim-
nitrate beta when it reacts with hydrochloric acid. So what you are going to get? AgCl. AgCl is what beta?
Milky white.
Milky White.
Milky White.
Milky white you will get. And water.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
HNO3. Right बेटा?
Kabir.
What is
Zinc,
that?
अभी.
zinc react with NaOH. जब भी किया था तो क्या मिलता है बोलो?
Sir,
Sodium, zinc.
सोडियम जिंकेट.
Cat. Gat.
जिंकेट. राइट बेटा?
sir, your trick, Papa cartoon.
Positive.
Positive.
Anode.
Positive.
Correct. एकदम
Positive.
पापा.
का Papa cartoon.
Yeah, right.
Papa
Most
cartoon.
reactive metal in the
Papa
activity series.
Potassium.
Farina.
Potty.
Yeah.
Lightest and the most abundant element. कौन है?
Sir,
Hydrogen.
Magnesium reacts with cold water to give you metallic oxide and hydrogen.
Yeah.
True. The
True.
reaction with iron and with steam is reversible. True.
True.
A is true. B is
No, but
true. But
A and
बस
Reason
खाली
का
A-
कुछ
Explanation
लिखा ही
दिया
नहीं.
ही नहीं तो
Explanation
बोल
Reason
दिया।
का कुछ है
नहीं
नहीं.
दिया ही नहीं है ना. बस A and B
Explanation
both
था
are
ही
true.
नहीं
हाँ
वहाँ पे।
तो it doesn't matter.
Example of acidic oxide, non-metal oxide. Non-metal कौन है इसमें?
Sir,
SO2
SO2.
answer है भाई।
Which matches correctly with neutralization. Acid react with base. तो ये
Sir.
बेस है, ये एसिड है, सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. ये परफेक्टली मैच हो रहा है. बी.
B.
इलेक्ट्रोड कनेक्टेड टू नेगेटिव.
cathode.
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 Oh, अच्छा.
कैथोड. ये नहीं है.
Cartoon.
Decomposition in presence of
Sun.
Photolytic.
Photolytic.
Photolysis.
substance involving oxidation of one substance and reduction of other.
Sir,
Redox.
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 This is not there.
Not that.
Are we done, gang?
Amphoteric कौन है बे?
हो गया.
PbO.
PbO.
Neutral कौन है बे? NO.
पता है.
हाँ. Hydrogen is
Hydrogen.
neutral.
Neutral
ये
gas.
दोनों नहीं है.
Oh, thank God.
ये नहीं है. Heat initiate reacting particle to move faster and collide frequently. True. If you heat reaction will take faster. A promoter is added to catalyst to increase its efficiency.
True.
Potassium reacts with cold water to give metallic hydroxide and
False.
hydrogen.
True.
True.
Oh,
Potassium
The first
hydroxide ही
one.
देगा ना.
Carina reacts with cold water.
कुछ भी.
हाँ कुछ भी क्या
क्या
बराबर
लिखा
है.
है हाइड्रोजन में? पढ़ ले.
हाइड्रोजन में भी और इसमें भी क्या था. चलो.
अच्छा.
It is the exist. नहीं ये
No.
नहीं है. Between two compound in aqueous
Between
solution to
chemical
form new
reaction
compound which is
is-
insoluble.
Precipitation.
Precipitation. It is a chemical reaction when product form react together to form the original reactant on the condition of the reaction.
Reversible.
Reversible reaction. Original
Reversible.
reactants तो फिर reversible होगा.
Reversible. Amount which alters the rate of but does not take.
Sir, Pramodar.
Catalyst.
Catalyst. Alter बोला है ना येड़े.
तविश है नहीं तो.
Chemical compound which in molten or solution state can conduct electricity.
Electrolyte. Electricity.
जाके पढ़ ली तविश, जाके पढ़ ली।
अरे जो substance which allow current to pass through it.
For
ये
sure.
किसका है? हाइड्रोजन का है. चल आ गया बेटा. क्या बोला है?
Zinc granules.
Identify
Zinc
three
granules.
components
This
in
is funnel.
granules.
Downward
granules.
displacement.
डाउनवर्ड
अरे
डिस्प्लेसमेंट
लेकिन
apparatus B thistle funnel है
thistle
Thistle
funnel,
funnel.
है
apparatus
नहीं
पूछा
तो
है, apparatus
I'm
पूछा है.
answering the second one.
How is
oh
downward displacement
So
of
smart.
water?
Easy clock.
Downward
So
displacement
smart.
of water.
One
downward
step
See,
ahead.
that's what I
Displacement
said.
Precaution आया.
of water. To precaution, entire
Sir, the
apparatus should be
thistle funnel
airtight.
should be
Lower
completely
end of the
different to the
thistle funnel should be
outside.
gone.
It should be
Right.
completely
Right.
airtight.
Explosive mixture.
A state your observation when bubbles of hydrogen gas means small pipe are passed through disk containing soaps. तो soap solution will
Because
what
it's
बेटा?
lighter.
अरे बेटा observation पहला it will go up and
Sir,
why
balloons full of
lighter.
hydrogen gas will rise up in air.
Exothermic and endothermic reaction. Heat is absorbed. Heat is what beta? Heat is evolved and heat is absorbed. Right?
evolved and absorbed
हाँ.
So can we write the symbol as an
Yeah, symbol here we write
Oh, you
minus
can?
plus triangle. Here you write minus triangle.
Happy
oh I didn't know
realization.
that
This
Sir,
is
can
not
you explain the bubble thing again?
bubble thing again. So we did
अबे
bubble. ना? Hydrogen will
अब
go
बुक
into
में
this.
है पहले से
Hydrogen will go. So hydrogen will go up. Bus. Why it will go up? Because it
Bubble
is
because
rise.
it's lighter
lighter.
Oh, okay.
Denser
light
air.
up, light up. हाँ,
oh
yeah.
holy
Eh,
freaking air
Copper
ball
sulfate does not displace hydrogen and calcium does. Why?
Because
Because copper is below the reactivity series and
yeah
hydrogen
And
yeah
is
calcium
above.
is
and
above.
it's above the reactor oh I knew it
Yeah, very good, but I
Bro,
appreciate.
he-
Color, colorless. Taste, tasteless.
yes
Solubility,
yes Sorry.
non-soluble.
less
very, 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 very less soluble in water.
less soluble
Identify the product, sulfur dioxide and water. चलो डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर बोला है तो व्हाट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है यार.
H2SO3.
H2SO4
ना बट नाम बोल तो सल्फरस
Sulfurous acid.
सल्फरस
ooh
H2SO4 is sulfuric. Calcium and oxide, and we are not supposed to write the reaction. Calcium oxide. ठीक है. Iron and sulfur, what you will get, beta?
Fe plus S FeS
FeS. Iron sulfide or FeS. Iron 2 valency 2 है इसमें iron का.
सर ये दोनों नहीं आ रहे B और C नहीं आ रहा
बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, ये नहीं आ रहा है. आओ चलो बेटा, ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. राइट बैलेंस का देख अभी क्या बोला है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड बाय हीट और नाइट्रेट. तो कैल्शियम नाइट्रेट याद आ रहा है. कैल्शियम से लेकर कॉपर का नाइट्रेट लेके तो व्हाट विल गेट मेटल ऑक्साइड प्लस NO2 एंड O2. मैंने बोला था ना कैल्शियम से लेके यहां तक का कॉपर तक में क्या बैलेंसिंग का ट्रिक है 2-2-4. क्या याद रखोगे 2-2-4. Then beta what formation of monoxide by heat on oxide. Okay, heat on oxide. Lead monoxide बोला है बनाने के लिए बेटा. So what we take beta Pb3O4. When you heat it, what you get?
PbO.
O plus O2. But we need to balance it this beta. So odd को even
तो
बनाओ
2
इसको क्या करेंगे बेटा
6
हो गया ना 6NO8
8 4
हो गया ना भाई. काय के लिए 6 plus 2 8 and 2 into 4
sorry
8.
oh my god sorry sir
Formation of zinc oxide by direct combination. So zinc plus oxygen gives you zinc oxide.
I don't know
Choo. Easy. चलो बेटा. K plus
Yes.
water. Identify the type. क्या है ये बेटा? K ने H को लात मारा. Displacement.
displacement
ये क्या है?
decomposition
So
combination
Combination.
Combination. Give an equation of preparation of water gas. Come on. CO plus
C plus H2O gives
1000 degree.
1000 degrees
CO, yes,
CO plus
hydrogen
H2.
minus triangle.
plus
First step. Name the catalyst and promoter in second step. Name बोला है तो name बोलोगे तो क्या था iron 2 oxide. Oh, sorry 3 oxide. Ferric oxide था ना बेटा. और ferric oxide.
ferric oxide भी था
Who was the promoter? Chromic oxide.
Cr2O3.
Chromic oxide.
नेम बोला है भाई. नेम बोला तो नेम. ठीक है. फिर रिएक्शन ऑफ स्टीम वाला सेकेंड वाला. तो वाटर गैस प्लस H2 प्लस स्टीम एक्सेस. रिमेंबर
2O gives
degree. Then
four-
what you get? CO2 plus
sir-
H2 2 plus triangle.
इसमें
क्या?
वनेडियम पिट ऑक्साइड होता है ना?
नहीं अबे झिंगे, यही कैटलिस्ट था ना,
ओ
Fe2O3
ओ
chromic oxide येड़े। हाउ इज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड रिमूव्ड?
With
By
By
dissolving the
dissolving it in
mixture.
ammoniacal
By
cuprous chloride.
dissolving in ammoniacal cuprous
Ammoniacal cuprous
chloride.
chloride under
chloride.
high pressure.
Chloride solution.
अमोनियाकल
सर इसमें हाई प्रेशर आता है कि नहीं आता?
नहीं आता है।
नहीं, dissolving
नहीं
it's
नहीं,
हाँ
कार्बन cuprous chloride solution। ठीक है, एनी डिफिकल्टी टिल यार? हेलो, ये नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है। गिव टू एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स। ठीक है ना, तो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट तुम्हारा
Sir,
कौन?
KNO3.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेटल्स। मेटल आर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, नो सॉरी, मेटल नहीं, नॉन मेटल्स।
Sir, CN2,
Cl2.
Then
O2,
O2.
Cl2, वेरी गुड बेटा।
O2.
Cl2, अमोनिया, ये सब तुम्हारा कौन है? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट।
H2SO4।
Sir, but even KNO3 is there.
सर H2SO4।
या कानू 3
ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, अच्छा बेटा,
potassium.
अच्छा
Yeah,
मैं बताऊं क्या?
KNO3, sir.
अरे
नाइट्रिक,
टोटल
या
अच्छा मैं
कानू
बेस्ट,
3 सर।
नाइट्रिक
सर
एसिड एंड
H2SO4।
सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, बोथ
H2SO4।
and
Sir,
fluorine.
what about KNO3?
KNO3 is you can take it as, but you have to remember these यार, ये है ना, हम लोग ने पढ़ा था ना, हाइड्रोजन में ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता था।
This can be HANU3.
कानू 3 is not important.
रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन बिटवीन ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट।
Oh.
Ca+O2।
नहीं भाई, रिवर्सिबल तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट हीट करेंगे तो ऐसा होता है,
CO plus
CO2 ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड। कैटालिटिक हाइड्रो, हाँ ये देख, हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड होता था ना बेटा, इसको हीट कर देते हम लोग।
2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2.
H2 plus O2, क्लियर है कि नहीं? और इसमें हम लोग को क्या लेना पड़ता था? कैटलिस्ट का नाम कौन था? देता है, देखा ना पे।
So MnO2. MnO2. Magnesium.
हाँ, MnO2, देखिए
लिखा है
कैटलिस्ट
उसमें।
लिखना पड़ेगा अपने को। MnO2 डन डन, बैलेंस करने का है, छुच्छू, राइट। इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ये आपको सबको आता है, एसिडिफाइड वाटर वाला। ठीक है
Okay,
बेटा,
that's
so
it.
with this बेटा we have done all your revision, all your past paper, all your worksheet, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can we leave,
sir.
sir?
चलो bye bye, all
Bye,
the
sir.
best for
Thank you.
tomorrow।
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Bye.
Bye, all the
Bye,
best।
Sati. Tea, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.